we can write this in exponential form. It's important to note that ln here is the natural log on the base is e. Therefore, we can have e raised to the minus 3. Therefore, x equals to e to the minus 3. Here we can work out the exact value of x by using our calculator. So to 3 significant figures, x would be 0.0498. Three significant figures. Question 2. We need to have the x terms on one side. Therefore, we can subtract log 3x minus 4. It's important to note that 2 log x here can be written as log x squared. Therefore, we have log of x squared minus log 3x minus 4 equals log 2. Here we can condense this part of the equation. So here we have log x squared over 3x minus 4. That equals to log of 2. And by the one-to-one property, here x squared over 3x minus 4 equals 2. So we have x squared over 3x minus 4 equals 2. Let us multiply both sides by 3x minus 4. Therefore, on the left hand side we have x squared is equal to, and on the right hand side we have 2 times 3x minus 4. And here this would be 6x minus 8. X squared minus 6x. And let us add 8 both sides. That equals 0. So we can factorize this equation. So we have x times x there, and minus 4 times minus 2. Therefore, x equals 4 and 2. Let us look at question 3. Here we can condense the left hand side of the equation. Let's write log x minus 2 then would multiply by x plus 1. Base 2 would equal to 2. We can write this in exponential form. Therefore, we have x minus 2 times x plus 1 equals to 2 to the 2, which is 4. Let us expand the left hand side and then we can equate this to 0 and solve the equation. So it means that we have x squared minus x minus 2 equals to 4. Subtract 4 both sides, therefore we have x squared minus x minus 6 equals 0. So we can factorize the equation here. We have x times x there and minus 3 and positive 2 here. Therefore, x equals to 3 and minus 2. But we can only have x as positive 3. Let us look at question 4. We apply the multiplication rule. Therefore, we have log x minus 5 times x plus 3 base 9 equals to 1. Here we can write this in exponential form. So here 9 is raised to the 1 would equal to x minus 5 into x plus 3. Let us expand and solve the equation. Therefore, we have x squared minus 2x minus 15 equals 9. So we have x squared then minus 2x minus 24 equals 0. So let us factorize this equation and solve it. So we can have x minus 6 and x plus 4. So it means that x equals to 6 and minus 4. So we choose the positive value of x. So x equals 6. Thank you very much.